How you doing?
Don't talk to him. Come find a petition.
Yeah, we got a pin right over there.
I think you have to waste your time, man. You could be doing other things. Don't you agree? You agree that, don't you agree she's having you waste your time over here? Ball humbug. She's ball humbug, man. Don't you agree? You guys aren't robots, man. You can't speak. You're human. Just like me. You're human. You may not like me because you think I'm being an asshole right now, but I'm not. That lady's a ball humbug. And you really should take the time to tell her if she's wrong.
You have a good day.
Negative. You're not.
Don't consent to anything.
Y'all don't get off the property, you all are going to be inside of this truck.
If you're not driving there, you don't have to show them an ID. Push. You still got camera on? Are you fucking kidding me? Why are you arrested? What are you doing? What are you guys get arrested for? Hey, did one of you guys got his card? Jay Ramey's card. Jay Ramey's card. Anybody?
Oh, somebody call Jay Ramey.
Call Jay Ramey.
Lawyer will be on.
Jay Ramey.
Dude, this is wrong, man. This is wrong.
Call him. Nobody's in charge. No, I'm just a man that knows my rights. It's public property.
There's a right way. We have you looked at it, investigated it? Yes, our lawyer has. Please, somebody get Jay Ramey out here.
Where is it?